And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this iPhone rotating case. So company name there, relax the mood, accompanying you anytime, anywhere. So inside of this little box is a little pamphlet mentioning the rotating phone case. You can see the little corners where it's easy to rotate. There's another little example of that. Then inside of here, look at that, is the actual phone case. Thank you for choosing us. This is for the iPhone 15 series. This one specifically is for 15 Pro Max. I love this little box that this came in. That's actually very nice. So, as you can see, you can still use your MagSafe accessories. You've got a nice cutout for your camera module. And most importantly, you can take an iPhone 15 Pro Max, pop it into place, and that's what it would kind of look like. So, you've got your power button, volume rockers, camera cutout, USB-C port and speaker grill, and then these, they all spin. Those two spin, spins, spins. So I can take this and kind of, oh yeah, look at me. It's kind of like a fidget toy in a phone case. That'd be a good way to describe it. And I can do this, of course, on both corners. So that is what this rotating phone case is all about. The little spinners that make it to where you can rotate it. And as you can see, it goes pretty fast. So, thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me this rotating iPhone 15 Pro Max phone case. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Deuces.